Hello, welcome back once again to this channel. This is Eagles Online Scholarship. Today we are going to take a look at fully funded Masters and then PhD program in Ireland. But before we move any further, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and then comment so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. The government of Ireland is currently offering full scholarship to those who are admitted into one of their Masters and then PhD program in one of the eligible universities. So let's go straight into the scholarship. So you can see it is open. The 2025 call for application is open. So let's look at what is included in this scholarship, the benefit one will get for being awarded the scholarship. It says the government of Ireland International Education Scholarship consists of a stipend amounting to 10,000 euros for 1 year of full-time study. The awardees whose higher education institutions are required to give a full fee waiver to the awardees for the year of the scholarship. Successful scholars will be expected to commence their study in either September or October 2025. So this is what you are going to get. You'll be given a full tuition waiver, full fee waiver, and also 10,000 euros for 1 year. For 1 year full time of study, that will be your living expenses. So let's look at some of the universities. Only some universities are eligible for this scholarship. So if you want to know the universities that are eligible for this scholarship, you just click here, the document here, 2025 Government of Ireland core document. You just click here. This one is the document that highlights what the scholarship is all about and then the eligible universities. So the scholarship is currently for only 60 people. So it's expected that the total of 60 scholarships will be funded by the Government of Ireland scholarship program. So only 60 people will be given this scholarship. Let's look at some of the universities they are offering the scholarship to. Okay, so these are universities. So if you want to be considered, you have to apply to any of these universities. So these are the universities that one can be considered for the scholarship. So you can just go through them and then you can apply to them. So if you want to apply for this scholarship, you just click here, apply here, and then you apply for the scholarship. But before you apply for the scholarship, make sure you have gotten admission to one of the eligible universities before you apply for the scholarship, because you need to upload your admission letter. So before you apply, make sure you have applied to one of the eligible universities, and then after you get your admission letter, you apply for the scholarship. The deadline is on the 5th May 2025. So there's ample time for you to apply for admission. Then after you get admission, you apply for the scholarship. So basically this is how to apply for the Government of Ireland scholarship program. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, share, and then comment so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you.